up all of my subscribers them. Find another person with a GoPro.
So, just tell me.
Huh? Oh, Bicana. B as in boy, I-C-A-N-A.
Alright, cool.
You're gonna get it? You're gonna subscribe?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I'll send you a message so you can follow.
Okay. Alright, good morning guys. So I just went to look at an apartment. Not an apartment. Yeah. A half side of a house to rent. It was so good. It was actually really good. But there's 5 other people that say yes, I wanted to, so I won't be, I don't know. I'm holding out hopes for myself, but those people looked really good, and one of them seems like they already know the person, so I don't know how that's gonna go. But it looks really nice. I would have liked it, you know. I'm gonna keep looking though, because you know you can't just stop after one place, especially if you don't know they're going to call you back or not. Yeah, the lighting is definitely this way, so I don't know why I'm talking to the back. I pulled out my hair. It's been a minute since I've seen my hair. You know the braid out after the braids that you've been wearing underneath your wig, and then they look nice, and you said let me just rock them for a couple days and then wash my hair. But a lot of these people did not answer, so I'm gonna call back right now while I'm waiting for Cleveland. There's a flat tire again. I think I definitely need to get the tires changed, but I was just waiting. But I need to get the tires changed. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. See? Come here. Steven, stuck on an island. He has like, recently he's been doing a lot of cooking videos where he goes by the river and cook. And it's so cool. But you guys have to go subscribe to Stuck on an Island vlog.
Alright guys, another day, another vlog. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. We're stuck with you guys, and we are always smiling. You guys look somewhere up there. You see like a gray thing. Yeah, that's somebody's shirt, and that's just a wave.
Good morning vlog. I'm still super sick. It's Sunday. Kimisha and grandma in the kitchen and going with a bag of things.
Actually, the extra pot means they not pick up.
Yeah, I'm gonna have service either, grandma.
Not even line phone have service now.
Yeah. For the baby? Don't get so big. The baby. Alright. Good morning vlog. It's me again, but you're seeing my family, my cousins, and my grandpa. So I brought grung. I get some yam and those things.
Take it to the right side and put it to the next side. A piece of the middle piece. Put this side also. And put the pint up in the side.
You carry? Put this way.
Let me go on.
Put in that. Yeah, put in that.
I can't manage all that.
I'm here, I can.
Alright.
Too big.
You sure? You want
Well, me too know what you gonna do.
A chicken bag them, man.
A chicken bag them memory.
Put it out, see man. Bag in, man. What you saying now for?
Me not have none.
We imagine saying now, no. No knife.
I come me company.
Mother. Yeah.
One
so.
You're
too much.
So we are done with obviously we're done with ground. We went to go pick up grandma and grandpa's medicine and stopped by grandpa's doctor's office. We brought them some of the food that we dig up this morning, and now we're getting some stuff for the house. And yeah, I'm finally getting over my sickness. I feel much better.
3 times.
Yeah. Feeling good, feeling good. Grandpa behind me.
You counting? Yes.
Alright. Grandpa and top man shoes. You know my top girl shoes. Anyways, I'm gonna see what else I want. I need to start eating more if I want to get thick. Hold on, I gotta find. Yeah, she said £2. She said £2. This is £2. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna forget some more of these. I'm gonna start cook more. I'm gonna feel ashamed. Anyways, I'm gonna buy a case of water. Careful. So, as you guys can see, we're in Christiana. I'm gonna go in one of them pharmacy here. One of them places and get the, cause we not get the onion. Oh no, yeah, we get the onion, never mind. But want to see which other juice them have. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we go in that car first. Put them here down. And then, yeah, go another one here. Watch. Yeah. Oh, look at this view. This view looks nice. Yeah. So me and my grandparents are shelling some peas. Grandma, you're not ugly, you're beautiful. So grandpa here.
Me ugly man. Yeah, patu.
And then this one is mine. I'm almost done. But I've been shelling. There's not even that much. Look at my fingers. Yeah. So let's set it up. But then I cover my camera in the grandpa. Start.
Come on, Kinga, come on.
God damn.
Yeah, and I'm gonna.
And my glasses want to change.
You want mine?
No. I want a ring, man. Buy me a ring, man.
Buy a ring.
Oh, God.
Maria.
I say, oh, Lord have mercy. Gracious God forbid it not. In the kingdom of thy grace, give a little child a place who supply me every want. See the young and tender plant, every moment what around me. Day and night, keep a beat. You must laugh or you can't pray, no. I never hear you pray yet.
And you may pray too.
But
You must hear.
oh.
You
don't hear that. When you go to church, you know, you pass and preach everybody.
You know, we just have to preach everybody.
Pray, every minute. But we know how we pray every day. At night and day we pray. But since you have got in your heart to pray, you pray, no?
You do find the intent.
Every day and night, we don't put on my sleep, I got forced me to sleep. Then we go, we say, Lord have mercy. Every day when you take me back, take me up, I'm at home, you know, oh, mighty God. I say, Jesus, you're the only one. You is the only one.
Hi again, guys. Look at this view. Look at this view. Yeah, Grandpa has to go ask someone something, I guess. I just parked the car there because the road is... I'm going to show you the road. And I need new tires. So I really don't want to push it. I wasn't even supposed to drive all the way down here on those tires. But yeah. Look at this view. And the goat. The kids. The kid. Them pretty. Yeah, the half of this whole road is hill and gully. So why mega take up the car and drive through it? No, I'm not do that. But I wish you could see how much or how beautiful this view is. It's crazy. It's so amazing. I'm gonna try to catch a picture on my phone and insert it. But it's so beautiful. Okay, I haven't really been pointing the camera on myself. I've been sick. I've been feeling ugly. You hear the donkey? Yeah, anyways, may I go up with my cousin? I'm going to ask her if she want to come with me tomorrow. Because I have to get some more banana, not banana, yam. And the banana will Pops find me. Not Pops, Kevon find me not. Grandma said it's not suitable for giving to people, they're too small. Someone that she want to come with me. And me and her, she carry out the banana, me carry out the yam, or vice versa. Oh, look at this view as well. Oh, I can't really see it. I'm gonna go up on the city! City! Wow, the sun is setting. Jordan, where's your mother? I can't really see, but it's so pretty. For Oscar or something.
Oh, you know, just come on,
Huh? Alright, so I'm out of luck. I didn't see my cousin anywhere. Nobody know where she is, so I'm just gonna call her and hopefully she'll call me back. But anyways, you can hear the music. I might check it out later. Okay, you can hear the music. Yeah. Alright. Anyways, so I'll see you guys later tonight. Yeah.